Welcome to our channel. How to import Kaggle Excel CSV file into Python Jupyter Notebook. Head to Kaggle and search for any CSV file you are interested in. For example, in our case, we are looking for the retail sales and customer demographic data. Browse through until you have found the file you are looking for. Then save your CSV file in the folder of your choice. In our case, we have saved the file to the desktop. Double-check the file name as you will need it later in Python Jupyter. You can also explore whether the file is indeed a CSV file by right-clicking the file and then Properties. Here you will see both the file path, location, and the type of file, which is a CSV file. Now it's time to start writing your Python code in Jupyter Notebook. Start by importing pandas. Time to read our data. This creates a variable called df, short for data frame, the main table-like object in pandas. Whatever we load will be stored in this variable. PD is just the nickname we gave pandas. Read_CSV is a pandas function that tells Python to read a CSV file and turn it into a data frame table. The R before the string means raw string. It tells Python not to treat \u, \t, etc. as special escape characters. Without R, \users might confuse Python. C:\users \yourname \desktop /csv_file_name.csv. This is the absolute file path on your computer. It points to where the CSV file lives. Windows uses \symbol for paths, so the R is very handy. Hey pandas, read the CSV file located on my desktop and store it as a data frame called df. Example, now you can type df.head to see the first rows. You can check out the first few rows. df, this is the original data frame from CSV. .dropNA, this is a pandas method that means drop all rows that contain any missing values, nan. By default, if a row has any missing cell, the whole row is removed. df_clean equals. We assign the clean version of the data frame to a new variable called df_clean. That way, we don't lose the original df. Now you have two versions. df original with missing values. df_clean with no missing values. df_clean total amount selects the total amount column from the clean data frame. .sum adds up all the values in that column and stores the result in total_sales. Group by customer ID. Groups all rows in df_clean by each unique customer. The result, average_purchase, is now a grouped object you can run calculations on, like .mean or .sum. This prints the text total sales, followed by an empty string, so nothing after the colon. This prints the message, average purchase per customer, starting on a new line because of \n. This prints the first 5 rows of the average_purchase result, the grouped average purchases. Time to run the code. Boom! Attribute error already. What's going on? Line 5. We need to check the file path if it's correct. My name is not right. I have to fix it. The file name is wrong too. We need to fix that. Remember the name we named our file? Retail_sales_dataset. Let's run our code once again. Still not running. We can fix this. Let's go. On line 17 total_sales, we have a dash instead of equals sign. On line 25, the print function had capital P. Let's fix it and run again. Let's see. Voila! We are all good now. The code runs smoothly. We have the total sales of 456,000. Average purchase for customer 1 is 150. Customer 2 has 1,000. Customer 3 has 30. Customer 4 has 500 and customer 5 has 100.